Well done, Bunny. Well done. Spoken like a true parent. We'll make a father of you yet. Oh, yeah. Didn't take you long, did it? To find my weak spot. To locate my realm of fallibility and push it. Oh, keep pushing. Keep scratching away. Until your child is broken down. How dare you? How dare you? Post a video on my Facebook making digs at my hair loss. What gives you the right? If you knew anything about me, you would know Paul's hair loss. Don't go there. Do not go there. Mother never did. She knew I was very, very sensitive about it. She knew how difficult it was for me. Perhaps it's more difficult than coming to terms with her dying. Because this is different. This is accepting that I'm dying. That I am losing the battle. Here is one battle I cannot win. You face difficulties in life and you overcome them. But this is one, no, you've lost. I don't wish to sound crass, but I hope that after she died, perhaps, every cloud has a silver lining, that maybe my hair would start growing again, that it had been the stress of her illness which caused this. No. And looking back, it took me a couple of years to actually accept that I was losing my hair. A couple of years of, seeing yourself in the mirror and just brushing it. No, it's fine. Having a shower, seeing a lot of scalps. No, it's just because it's wet. It took me a couple of years to finally admit that, okay, I'm losing my hair. But now that I have come to terms with that, which isn't to say that I'm not sensitive about it, that every time I look in the mirror it doesn't depress me. But looking back, I can admit now that it was in 2006 that it began. My early 20s. And men's hair loss occurs in either their early 20s or their early 40s. Any other time, it is because of stress, bad diet, or poor hair products. It's okay. This is nature's plan for Paul Haworth. Got to deal with it. But I can't help but wish that it had happened in my 40s, because it'd be so much easier to deal with then, because it's not easy being in your 20s. And then I'll be married. I'll have a house. I'll have possessions. Maybe even children. I will have got somewhere in my life. But now, I've got nothing. I am nobody. And on top of it all, I have to deal with this. I don't want to sound immature, but it's not fair. It's not fair. Especially because I appreciated hair. I had expensive haircuts. I used quality products like Red Ken. And also, to this day, I appreciate hair. I see a girl or a boy with a good cut, with healthy hair, with natural, flowing, all of that. And I say to them, you've got good hair. Like your haircut. I don't want to be an observer on the outside. I want to be one of them with good hair. I want to go to the barber's and get a decent haircut, a hairstyle. Not just deal with this, make me look less bald than I am. I've never ever had advice on how to deal with it from balding men. It's always from girls or boys with thick mountains of the stuff who'll tell me, oh, just shave it off, just shave it off. I don't think so. I'm not joining the bald men shaved headed crew. No thanks. And also that, that completely exists on whether you're comfortable with the shape of your dome. Or Viviscal or Rogaine, delaying the inevitable. And then hair plugs, hair transplants. I mean, the adverts for those in the back of EasyJet magazine, they just scream loser, psychopathic, male exploitation. And I'm too smart for that. There's a mind under this hat.